Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve exercise questions of chapter 9 class 6th Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh at a glance. Dear students, question number 1 is answer the following questions briefly. A. What are the various physiographic divisions of the two union territories? The answer is physiographic divisions of Jammu and Kashmir Ladakh UTs are the outer plains, the Shivaliks, the middle Himalayas, the Valley of Kashmir, the greater Himalayas, and Ladakh region. Dear students, physiographic divisions are defining Earth's landforms into distinct regions. B. Name the important rivers flowing through the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh. The answer is rivers that flow through Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh UTs are Jhelum, it's in Kashmir, Chenab, Jammu, Indus is in Ladakh. Number 3, see what are the languages spoken in different areas of the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir and Union Territory of Ladakh. The answer is languages spoken in Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh UTs are Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, Punjabi, Pahadi, Gojri, Dardi, Shina, Balti, Boti, and Pashto, etc. D. Name the coldest place in the Union Territory of Ladakh. The answer is Tehsil Dras of District Kargil is the coldest place in Union Territory of Ladakh. Now question number 2 is tick the correct answers. So A. The largest glacier in the northwest Himalayas is number 1 Kolhal, number 2 Siachen, number 3 Thajwas. The correct answer is Siachen Glacier. B. Vaharat is a local name of which of the seasons in Kashmir? Number 1 rainy season, number 2 winter season, number 3 spring season. The correct answer is rainy season. C. Dachi Gam National Park is in number 1 Srinagar, number 2 Ladakh, number 3 Bhadrawa. The correct answer is Srinagar, Kashmir. Now question number 3, match the following. The correct answer of this question is Indus River is in Ladakh, Chenab River is in Jammu, Jhelum River is in Kashmir Valley, and Suru River is in Kargil. So we have finished this exercise of chapter 9 class 6th of geography. Thank you so much.